How's an AI supposed to tell us where that line is? Are there hard and fast rules about what constitutes negligence? Now, this is a silly little case, but it's meant to be a kind of toy example of there's lots of gray areas where we're not sure whether what they did constitutes negligence or just things happen.
So part of this has to do with what do you think judges are doing? What do you think adjudication is about? It's not that the judge is looking at the ordinary negligence case and saying, I don't have material that's supposed to guide this, and I'm going to make what I think is the socially optimal decision.
Mhm.
What judges are purporting to do in those kinds of cases is make a judgment that's as consistent with the precedent as possible. And what the litigants are purporting to do in those kinds of cases is try to locate their best arguments within the corpus of existing precedent. But to the extent that we're trying to predict, we should be trying to predict in the best way possible. And the advanced data science techniques that are bequeathed to us by our AI world are exactly how to do that. In some ways, prediction is the long held aspiration of the law, right? You were a TA for philosophy of law. You might have at some point come across Oliver Wendell Holmes. And he says, the prophecies of what courts are doing and nothing more is what I mean by the law, right? By the way, in that same piece, he also said, the lawyer of the past is the black letter lawyer. The lawyer of the future is the master of statistics and economics. So he was making an early case for interdisciplinarity 3 years ago. So to the extent that we're purporting to do prediction, then we should actually be figuring out ways to use the most state of the art techniques to do